In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Polyline command. Now, Polyline is right up here next to the line command if you go for the ribbon. If you prefer to type it, you can type P-line, P-L-I-N-E. If you prefer the pull down way to get to it, draw Polyline. It's also on the toolbar if you prefer using toolbars. Like with any command in AutoCAD, there's so many ways to do any one thing. There's not a right way or a wrong way. You do what you feel comfortable with. So to start the Polyline command, it looks like it's going to work very similar to the line command. I will click to start. Looks like the line command. It wants a length. I can press tab to give it an angle. Come back here, type in the length, press enter. And I've just drawn what appears to be a line, except it's a polyline, and I'm going to show you the difference. I'll click a few more times, press enter, and I'll do something similar with the line command, just so you see them side by side. So similar shapes. The line command, when I click on the line, each segment is its own individual line. I'm going to press escape to deselect objects. With the polyline, it's one long continuous line instead of separate segments. Press escape again. When I'm in the polyline command, I have several options. I can click to start and notice these options that I have in the command line. I can choose arc, half width, length, undo, width. I'll choose A for arc. Remember, the capital letter is something that I can type. I could also move my cursor down and select the word arc. I could also press the down arrow on my keyboard to get to the options as well. I'll type A, enter, and now I'm in the arc command. Everywhere I click, I'm drawing arcs. I can be in the middle of this command and choose L for line, so L, enter, I'm back to the line command. I can choose W for width, enter. Once a starting width, right now, this little skinny line that I have is set to a width of 0. I could do a starting width of 0 and an ending width of, let's say, 0.5, press enter. Now it starts at 0, it ends at 0.5. The thing is, the next line segment starts with 0.5, since that's the one that I ended with. So I could do W, enter, 0, enter for my starting width, and 0, enter for my ending width. And I'm back to having a skinny line. And here I've just made an arrow. So I could continue. When I'm done, I could type C for close, or just press enter if I want it to end here, but I could type C, enter, and it will close off that object. If I look at the object, when I select it, arcs, lines, that arrowhead, everything selects as one big object. I'll press escape to deselect, and that's the polyline.